So here's a little video to show you guys how to assemble this very simple samples slash patient information holder. It will come to you folded up this way. This is the front, the face, and then this is the back. All you have to do is very simple. You start step one, just fold them along their folds. That's one fold. That's fold number two. That's fold number three. Then you just, sorry, there's fold number four. Forgot about that one. And then you just flip them in this way. That's one. And that is two. Here you go.
Show the back.
It sits that way. That's the front, and that's the back. And the samples go in 6 this way with the face of the product facing out. 3 plus 3 this way, and the pamphlets easily sit. This is the pamphlet. They easily sit in here as well. You can put a large pack as you see fit. That's it. Thank you.